I got this awesome new product for you today. This is a keyboard and mouse combo. It's made from a company called AULA. This is the Win T10Z version. Let's open it up and see what's all included. It comes with the mouse. This is a wired mouse. It also comes with some instructions. And then the keyboard itself. This is a really high quality keyboard. It's got a metal frame on it, and it's also RGB backlit. It's also a membrane keyboard. It feels really nice. Let's take a closer look. This mouse and keyboard has many different features. I really like the RGB lighting. The mouse has 4 different DPI settings. You can press it right here on the front. You can switch between 1200, 2400, 4800, and 7200. It also has a nice rolling wheel, and it also has 2 side buttons on the side. I really like the ergonomic design of this keyboard and the metal frame. It also has a phone holder on it. This keyboard also has different illumination modes and also different brightness levels. You can change them by hitting FN and 1. That cycles through the different modes. This one's my favorite. This is the heartbeat mode. And you can also change the different brightness of it. It also comes included with a switch puller. It's very easy to take out your keys. It also has a wide compatibility. It hooks up to any Windows, Mac, PS4, or Xbox One.